Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Mark. I'm from Cryptomode, and today I will be talking to you about Ethereum's price. Currently, we are trading at 276, staying above the 270 level, so that is not the greatest news, but also not bad. As long as we're not going down, things are looking good. As long as you're above 250, I say we're doing pretty good. Unfortunately, Ethereum is not doing as well as Bitcoin and some other cryptocurrencies because people are kind of at a standstill because last time Ethereum peaked, there have been a lot of problems with transaction throughput. It couldn't handle all the transactions, all the ICOs. There's a lot of issues. So they're trying to solve this problem by including the alleged hard fork by the end of the year, known as Constantinople. That is set to occur at the end of the year. And people are still not really sure what to do with that hard fork. So I'm making a meeting. They did a YouTube YouTube event discussing some of the upcoming changes to the Ethereum network, and really people couldn't really come to a decision because there's too many different opinions. Analysts dubbed it unsuccessful, but overall, the fact that the team is trying to change something by the end of the year and they have a deadline is overall good news. So Hudson Jameson from the Ethereum Foundation stated, I honestly don't know how to make a decision. I don't know how we'll go from there. So some people are thinking about reducing the amount of Ethereum that's in circulation by reducing the issuance amount of Ethereum. But some people are saying that's a good thing. Others are saying that it's going to disrupt the ecosystem and make it less secure. For example, Shin Shu, CEO of the Ethereum mining pool Spark Pool, he said, there is a tipping point, and when we get there, everything will break down and we cannot get back. In my opinion, the change of issuance will be a big impact to the security. Another story, the decentralized application browser MetaMask has issued a web instance that allows decentralized apps to reach the Ethereum blockchain. So that's all good and dandy. Unfortunately, the decentralized applications are not very secure, and there's a lot of danger involved with the use of decentralized applications. For example, one of them is privacy exposure, where apps can be scanned by malicious websites via fingerprinting, and this kind of gives away some of the user's privacy, and it doesn't look very good. MetaMask, on the other hand, prevents some of these problems by requiring updates to existing dApps. Thus, web instances are no longer automatically injected when pages load, thereby protecting the identities of the Ethereum users in question. So these are all great news. Unfortunately, for the regular user, it doesn't really mean much. All these applications will really mean a lot when other companies come up with real applications with real world use that a lot of people are going to use, and that is going to kind of propel Ethereum upwards and upwards. Just like ICOs, a lot of people were not too excited about how easily you can make an ICO. They're more excited about investing in it and making money off of it. But as soon as that kind of dropped down and most ICOs became scams and people couldn't make money off of it, the hype died. So what I've been saying is I feel like the next big thing with cryptocurrency, maybe even Ethereum, is really useful smart contract or really useful decentralized applications that many people can use and benefit from. And once we see maybe one or even two big applications come about, I feel like Ethereum price can go right back up. So let me take a look at the chart once again. We have been kind of at a standstill lately, ever since earlier this month when we dipped to 250. The market recovered pretty quickly, and now we're kind of just moving along, staying in the $270 level. I'm not sure what's going to happen next, but I feel like as long as we do stay above 250, like I've been saying, I think things are going to be doing quite well, especially with Bitcoin kind of moving up and up. I feel like that Bitcoin slowly is pulling all the other cryptocurrencies up with it. So overall, I am still bullish with Ethereum, and I think hopefully by the end of the year we can. I'm hoping to close hopefully around $400 to $500, but even higher, that's certainly possible. So thank you guys all for watching. My name is Mark. I'm from Cryptomode, and I'll see you guys next time.